So let me get the link. Okay, why hasn't it started yet? I don't know. So fun fact, yesterday after the stream ended, I said that I was going to bed, but I just continued to look into this, and I got help from this guy on the Decomp.me server called Thompsons26. And his take, and I believe him, he knows a lot about Visual Studio 6, is that this a custom implementation of FTOL. So it's basically float to... Oh, what the fuck is going on, man? Hey, okay, float long. So where should I put it? Maybe I should put it on the DLL main. So he said that I should do this. And then how do I do inline assembly? I forgot, to be honest. Let's see if this builds. No, it worked. I thought it had to be 2, but okay. So I touched the code yesterday because I was trying to investigate this. I have this thing over here. What the fuck? Okay. Like, instead of creating that thing, I can just... Maybe I can just go to... What's the name? VM thread, okay. Can just go to high-res clock and take care of that. The fuck, man? So... elapsed in this. Let me see if there's any definition of this guy. Yeah. Jesus, okay. Just wait for lock. Okay, whatever. Export void. The trick is now to do... I guess this is how they wrote the code. So many things. Okay. Why is this a group? What the fuck? How do I make this a new group? Okay. So yesterday I was looking into Microsoft Visual Studio, standard library, and yeah. Okay. This looks really good. Push R. Okay. Wait, it calls jump but never returns? What? The fuck is this? Oh, okay, it kind of makes sense. So, but that's interesting. That's crazy. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. So I did manage to get closer to the reality. Why does one push and the other doesn't, right? It's kind of crazy. D9. Mm-hmm. Wait, did I post it on my server? But so if I make a, what do you if I make you some channel art, would you consider using it? I guess you can message me on Discord and we can see. It's been a long time since I changed my channel art, but yeah, happy to take a look at anything. So this is very interesting, right? Mm-hmm. Let me just send a message. Wait, let me. It's very interesting. Okay, let me post. Floating point. Okay, let me just take here a screenshot. Should I create a decomp me? Start decomping, so PC. I have no idea whatever that's about. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Wait, I need to take a look at something else. Yeah. It's been the longest time since I changed my... Where is the... Ah, okay, here's the assembly. Wait. I forgot which thing I was using. I remember... Fuck, man, what's the name of the guy? Lippy? Quickie? My god, I forgot the name. He sent me a fixed... Oh yeah. Fix.asm. Spidey PC fixed. Yeah. I got... What the fuck? How can I create this thing? Ambiguous operand size. Disasm Pro. Am I missing something? So Felix Coutier. Yeah. How do it looks fine, right? Oh, what's the problemo? FLD, so M32. Yeah. I don't want to put keywords because I'm afraid. I'll need to create a new. I'm afraid of this. Ambiguous operand size. That's crazy. Why does require? Yeah, I know it's required. What? Why can't I create the thing? LD keywords. Source code. Spending what? Ambiguous. I guess this is coming from the backend. Pull request. No, none of these. Ah, er, er, my god. So, I guess it's just O2. Yeah. Use, yeah. Void. Void. Wait for float const. Okay. So now I can do iRes clock T. Chadam. And I can do sleep. I'm done. Well, nice. Oh yeah. I need to enable C++. Compiler C++. Yeah. Not found. It's indeed a tragedy. Yeah. Okay. Extern. Std call. Sleep the word. The word. Oh yeah. What? Wait, wait, don't fuck with me, man. Don't tell me it's... Where's Mr. Higher? Bro, what? What? Okay. Mm-hmm. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. So, wait for... Ah. Oh yes, indeed. Let me sleep. Oh, I'm not signed in. Ah, are you that shit? Oh my god, that's so ass. That's so fucking ass. My god. Okay, I don't need anything else. Okay. Class high res clock T. Void. Wait for float. Clock T. So sleep T. That's how it goes. And then we do extern void sleep T. Unsigned. Unsigned int. Overloaded. Yeah, it doesn't have the const. That's fine. Interesting. And wait a moment. Could it just be a static function? Oh, wait a moment. Oh my god, static. Not allowed, yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Could it just be a static? Wait for, okay. It is. Wait for. And you go away. Bam. Because it clears, oh my god. Fuck. Still. This call? Wait. Am I even building? Static. How is this even building? Okay, this is. Oh my god, this feels great. So okay, matching. Does anyone call this? I don't. Okay, once again, I'm outplayed by them. My god, this website saved my fucking ass. Oh my god, I love this. FLDS, okay, whatever. Um, git diff. So what I'm about to do is git add minus p. Yes. Yes. No. No. Git commit high res clock t. Let's just patch it regardless. I don't really give a damn. What's your profanity? Okay, a lot of the stream was just me talking on the other screen, but it's totally fine. Okay. Okay, so something that I need here, right? Git status. Is git status. Git add. Git high res clock. Okay, what else do I need? Oh yeah, let's go back to Mr. DLL main. And get this. Mm -hmm. Wait, am I? Okay. The proper way. And wish there was an easy way to delete all that text on the left. But there isn't. Like, can I just keep this? I'm not give a damn. This is just yeah, okay. Wait, what? Exactly. Ah, okay. No, I understand. Good, okay. I don't know why I did this in slice as well. I could have just done. I don't know why XOR is highlight. Okay. var 8. Yeah. So let's look at the full build, I guess. So when I say full build, I mean high res clock T. Wait for, yeah. Oh my god, I know this guy. I know this guy. He haunted my nightmares. Yeah, indeed, it was. Are the opcodes different here? Or let me just be 500% sure. It's the exact same thing. Or is it? 53.8. Oh my god. Yeah, I just copied it, so there wasn't much reason to complain. Ah, this is beautiful, man. And my very good friend. Oof. I don't really need to patch it, but or yeah, I don't lose anything by patching it. Okay, patch is I can actually just patch it though. Yeah, I can just patch it, right? Yeah, I can see it. Evil, this evil version of. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I was recommended by the. Yeah. So the guy that helped me fix this, he suggested to rename it to FTOL. I'm a little on the fence, you know. Um, so before we go, I need to go into VM thread. This tragedy over here and try to fix this, right? So open-tobey. So when did I start working on? Doesn't really matter. Browse files. Spider-Man. Thread. Is what? Okay, so I definitely want to copy this guy. But before that, I should start the debugger. Not really necessary the debugger, but oh well. Okay. Chippy. Oh yeah, his name is Chippy. Or her name. I have no idea. Sweet. Just gets an exception. So yesterday I didn't run the game. I guess that's a big part of the issue, right? So, right, if I comment these guys, well, it fixed itself, right? Because now I need to debug this guy. I guess it's the FTOL stuff, but I'm just guessing. Yeah, okay, the game now boots regularly. Okay, let's just patch this guy, right? And see what happens. Yeah. Okay. There's only one criminal left to go. Which is this guy. Is it the proper address and everything? So yeah, that's kind of fucking the stack now that I'm thinking about it. I guess it's kind of corrupting the stack. But that's fine. I don't really want to patch that one. Okay, that's understandable. Diff. Real for real. Git revise. There should be an option like squash and ignore message or something like that. All in one. What should I listen to now? Okay. So time to get back to VM thread, I guess. Kind of beautiful that I kind of I expected this FTOL problem to be fixed kind of today. But at the same time I'm shocked that it was much harder and much easier than I expected, I gotta be honest. It's a mix of both. Run. 48. 60. 6, 7. Okay. There's this guy. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. This is absolutely beautiful. This is what I expected. Okay, let's get notepad. Okay. Done. Done. Missing one case. Yeah, that's kind of bad. So down here, right? There's a create static event and there's one missing. Case 46. Case 46. Use OP Kelly KL2. Use of OPKL2. That's crazy, right? But we can see that there's difference like 45. Seems to... They kind of all seem to have been in line, or the opposite. Use of OPKL2. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So let's look for, because KL2 doesn't look like, yeah, okay. Wow, it only seems to exist there. Which doesn't help me much. But okay. So there's one extra case, the dia. Right by the end, there should be a case up code. So up code T. There's these guys. Does the PS2 version inline that much or no? It wouldn't change a thing, to be honest. It could help me identify a couple things, but not much. So where are these enummax used? In oh, upcodes.h. Right. Okay, so it's literally just I do this, I can just go there and do case op kill 2. I don't think this ever triggered, but ooh, oh, was about to create something catastrophic. So something along these lines, right? Is bad read pointer what? What is bloody yapping about? Invalid local script object instance pointer. Is bad read pointer. Yeah. Maybe I can get the game for. There was this really popular archive. Fuck. Forgot. Where is it? Sony PlayStation 2. Okay. So, Spider-Man. Europe, Australia, USA. I don't know why there's two versions here. Can I check these two versions though? Okay, I have really good internet speed, so. Spider-Man, okay. Trying to see if they have different sizes, but it looks the same. Japan only got one version, so yeah. 40 seconds. Kind of curious why this OPKL2, if there's one extra function. set to null. Okay, that kind of makes sense. I'm downloading both versions because Japanese usually contains symbols. I don't know why. I guess the so slow. Thank God I have 128 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah. Please don't try to mount the ISO. I swear to God. Oh. Ah, right here. Game INI. It's 5 megabytes. Looks quite big for for megabytes. Let me put this in Toby. Extract to documents Toby PS2. Okay. Same thing with this guy. Let's. Why is the Japanese 1 meg higher? You know, it usually means. It's usually something good. So Toby PS2, this version. Yeah, L for MIPS. Why? Okay. No symbols. Okay. RPC, okay. TLB. Thread local buffer. Okay, what I can do to speed this up is just close all of these guys, right? And let it rip. Same thing here. Let's try to parallelize this. I wish Haida had like a headless mode where I could say, yeah, do the initial auto analysis on this file and be happy. This is almost done. And this is a linear search, which is really crazy. Look at this. Yoink. All right. Yeah. It got in line there. What the? That's crazy. Yeah, that's the kill thread. Indeed. Indeed. Does this have the threading? Shit. Maybe it wasn't even another function because you know these ones were not in line, as you can see, and I doubted they really went out their way to just specifically true, false. Yeah, it is way too convenient that this didn't get in line, then this one did, right? So just need to copy something. Invalid local script object pointer, yeah. Alrighty. I trust myself. So too damn convenient. Use of OP killed by full name, yeah. Okay, that's standard. Okay, that's absolutely golden. And the if is bad read pointer 54, which is a local inst. I have no idea how to interpret what I'm seeing here. Oh, what? Self error. First of all, does this build? That's the real question for manly man. It does build. Pff. Oh, I'm putting null there, and then I'll. Hmm. So local inst kill thread. This 172. This. Oh yeah, it's the kill me. Okay, that's what happened. So this basically sets to kill me. So yeah, this sets the kill me. So it's saying 8-2, but I don't like how it's always. It executable. Oh yeah, so this arg. uh, so this argument t is a what argument t? Yeah, I can just get the SFR. Okay, kill thread. Yeah, arg SFR. Okay, it's literally this that I need to do. Then it looks fine, right? Yeah. Arg SFR. I have no idea what this does, but call script library func. I didn't do this. The script library function thing. It's not good. I guess it's because it doesn't. Oh yeah. The size of memory block if this the return value is 0. Oh wow. Script object. Yeah, boy. This is quite cool. So that is bad read pointer. It's just the size of script. And voila. We did it, kid. We did it. It basically replaced 18 with 18, but the big difference is that I'm great. That one is explicit, the other one not really. So VM thread run 60. Oh, now it's 60. I guess that by adding that chunk of code at the bottom just magically fixed everything. Am I right? Am I right? Tell me that this is not perfect. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, it's really good to see this. But create event callback. Create static event callback. Okay, create static event callback is one. Bam. So slowly but surely we're going there. Yeah, okay. This one is just saying go to there. Not sure why, but hmm. Yeah, there's quite a bit of difference in the elapsed stuff. Popnum, Popnum. Why is Popnum not in line? It was 35, right? Mm. It seems it was in line there, right? Mm, not here, it wasn't. Okay, it was in line there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Like most of them are really good, but then there's one or another that are kind of yikes. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Like, a lot of it seems really good, but then yeah. Oh, case 5. Ah, okay. So it's not as broken as I thought it would be, which is really good. Especially like this part is tit for tat. But quite confused about this guy. Seems to be everywhere. So this guy to do. Okay. So arg. Okay. I don't know if it's correct, but I can take a look. Like the stacks seems correct, so I guess most of it. Ah, beautiful. You see, is how it goes. So is this the simplest? Oh my god, it's even it's simple. Hmm. Man, I do love myself. I gotta be honest. So case 4. Yeah, okay, that's good. So these returns for some reason. So okay. So there's a okay. This looks good though. It looks exactly like what you would expect, right? So you put that continue. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Alrighty. What up? Okay, I have enough IDAs open. I can close them. What is Toby? This guy. So it's not wrong. It's just unexpected. Wait, no. What? Why did it go up? It's not synchronized or what? You go here. I don't know what's going on with IDA. I gotta be honest. Yeah, there's this thing constantly being set to 1. Huh. Case 15 takes care of that, right? Yeah, I'm missing some code there. Look how big this crazy shit is. Maybe I need a vertical screen. I love vertical screens. Uh, um. So no, that's the wrong one. Here. Okay. Bowl. Okay. So case 15, it's where we call kill thread. So kill thread. So yeah, 9. Okay. That makes sense. So so now I can do this. Alrighty-o. What I can do to help this is do this, and voila. So We didn't really increase the stack usage, which is crazy. It's never read. It's never written. I mean, so it's never read. I mean, so I guess it was optimized out, which is fine. Yeah, it's really good. But this V thing, what is this case early though? It's like some weird shenanigans. Ah, so it's in opret, up PC. So many go to this level. Ah, okay. It looks like every single one is affected by this guy, right? inline. Alrighty. Oh shit! So many messages. I was not paying attention, man. Sorry. I ran where I start phrases now. It's code error flag. I wanted to make a game. So stressful. Right? You can also do C# with Unreal and Unity. Both of them work. Progress on my game. It's just started waiting to learn. It doesn't really matter what you learn, man. That's the thing. Just learn one of them and just go with it. You shouldn't stress too much about it. It's such a, to be honest, I would say it's a non-issue. No. So, wait. Like, old games, the code is not good to learn from. I will not recommend it at all. But why is it like this? No. So let me be a little... This guy. Between kill me and the arc. So what this is saying is that it's between kill. It doesn't really matter, okay. Wait, could it just be the running? It's kind of weird now that I see it. So... For some reason... I guess that this is the running, right? Kill my own thread, okay. So, okay, so that's 3. Kill is 13. 10, so that's the case 10. Okay, progress on my, just... If you want to, yeah, if you just want to make a game, just make a game. Not worth to think whether it's worth to learn new stuff or not. Is that running? Right? Alright, I'm just making videos for my channel. I might stream trying to. I don't think it's worth to stream that. I stream for 2 reasons. I have a blog, so it. Oh yeah, it's keep shifting. So it helps me a lot when I need to revisit stuff and to improve on this. But I don't want to discourage you from doing whatever you want. Yeah. Kill me. That's... case 15. Not this. Ah, fuck, man. Should I can I even do that? Okay, so looks like I'm close to it, right? And this thing over here. The thing that I'm more confused about. Okay, let's take a look through the big boy lens, right? Wait, what? What? No. Okay, I want to see the arrow that takes us here. Can I go back or no? Okay, I can. It's this one. This one. I need that running. Yeah, indeed. Okay. While running. Okay. Well, true. Running. Okay. So I guess that's how they wrote the code. Oh fuck, did I? Ah, no, okay, right here. Do. I've made a small game in Unity and it was fine. The problem is that to me, Unity and Unreal and whatever feel like React.js in the sense that there has been many eras that influenced how you do stuff. And and that becomes really apparent. Some people don't really change their style, if that makes sense. So it's always hard to know if you're learning something that's up to date or not. Okay, it's fine, kill me. Why isn't the return properly returning? Ah, shit. I need to look for this. So this now it's a while one. Yeah, I remember reading an article about while two Ida. Mr. Ida. What? I remember there was a Nilfak post about this. Bro, tips. Bro. Why is this shit like this? Why? Because it's also like infinite, almost because it's also non-zero constant. Most okay. I don't know if they removed that thing, but I'm slightly miffed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If V72 put there, what? Okay. It looks fine. But is it fine? I can see 10 lines of difference, which is not giving. Oh, wait. But that's the thing. Go to label 3. Oh, wait. Did I mess up somehow? Oh, yeah. Okay. I had some undefined behavior going on there. Okay. But I guess it's much better now. Still don't get that thing for some reason. Okay. So I guess it's really good. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, that one was really well optimized. I can see that. So it saves the loop. Okay, so this is really good to see. But why sponsor thread and whatever? There's always that check though. So mine is slightly more optimized from what I can see. But okay. Much better. What I think you can do is if running only that's the only thing I can imagine that I can do. That seems kind of reductive, right? Because it already happens. Yeah, indeed. Okay. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Why is it... So... Okay, it's 15. Okay. Pseudocode A. It's literally in the same spot, right? I guess it's fine. $32 minus 3, it's 29. So I need to look for 29. Oh yeah, there's a debug. Okay, that's a debug state. That's the thing. I don't think there's lots of continues here, right? And I guess thanks. Continue. It's only that guy. It's only that guy. Huh. It's indeed very interesting. Hmm. Okay. Maybe I should just finish this. Alrighty. Um. Hmm. Yeah, it's almost 2 hours, and maybe it's time for me to patch this guy into the game. But and then I'll probably make a post about this. So what else do I need? I mean, so these functions are so strange. Yo, where's my VM thread run? Oh my god. Seems to be working. Seems to be working. Oh my god. Oh, no, no, no. That's crazy. Okay, I'm quite happy with this. No crashes. Crazy. Okay. I'll most likely make a poll. Okay. Git diff. Alrighty. I maybe can. Okay, maybe for the next stream. I think I've done enough for today. Git status. And yeah, all I need to think about what I'm gonna do next. So git push. And I'll make a post about. And yeah, I can close this. Can save this. No, I shouldn't have closed that one. So close, don't save. Okay, let me get to open-tobey. Open-tobey. Okay, let me send a message now. Forgot to remove that to do, but that's fine. Yeah. Okay, let's close this. What? No, fuck this. So close and save. What do I have open? Okay. Okay, so script library function, yeah. One day, could you show me how to inject a DLL into a game? Wait, let me send a message and I'll say it. Oh, wait, oh, fuck. Shenanigans. Okay. Okay, I just wrote a long post just to say. Yeah. Okay. So to do. Okay. Pseudo matching. Check the pseudo and the variables are in same spot. There's some craziness with running being reset on each execution, but it seems to be related to MS randomness. Oh, there we are. Okay. Okay. Git status, git commit. I can put a knit. Okay. Okay. This is kind of crazy that I have VMs right run. Okay, I just wrote a bunch of text. to inject a DLL into a game. So, okay, there's so you can just inject with an injector, which you create a thread on a program and load the DLL, or you steal a DLL. I don't know how you call it. So DLL forwarding. Dynamic link redirection. Yes. Yeah. No. I don't know, but Microsoft Docs are so stupid. Create a forwarding DLL. Let's see if this looks fine. What? There's a bunch of text, but I can see. Maybe I can write an article about this, because I don't remember where I learned this. DLL proxying for persistence. This is okay. This is how you shouldn't do it. This is not how you do it. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, this is exactly how you do it. Okay, so this is actually this article looks fine. But the easiest way, it's the way that I do, because if you're injecting a DLL into a game, so the difference between the proxy DLL and a regular, so okay, no, let me get Notepad, because okay, so basically how your exe loads is that so before it reaches the entry point, and let's call it main, it loads the DLLs, and then it goes into the entry point. So if you steal a DLL, basically if you proxy, your code can run before the main. And this is important because with a regular injection, you basically have a process and you need to race to inject the DLL. And that can be too late or too early. Well, if it's too late, you might crash the game or crash the target process. There are ways to prevent this, but I'll highly recommend you to just... So what some things do is that they try to pause the process and then inject. To me, this is overly complicated. DLL proxying or DLL forwarding is, in my opinion, the best. It's 100% reliable, unlike DLL injection, and yeah. And yeah, that's it. I think, but all of these things that I do, I learn. Okay, this is forum. This is where I learn most stuff. And because I was making some lame hacks for CSGO. Here. I recommend everyone to go here and learn. So I learn out of necessity, not because... Yeah, then I spend more time here on the general programming and reversing. There's also anti-cheat bypass. The thing is that one of the interesting things about dealing with anti-cheats is that depending on how annoying the anti-cheat is, you're forced to learn more because they put artificial barriers. For example, reverse engineering old games, there's not much trick to it. It's just reading and reproducing what's happening, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is really cool. Oh man, I'm exhausted. I was thinking about that flow tool long thing for the longest time. I'm happy that this is done, so... And... So... Okay. No. Did I... Wait. That's good. My god. Wait, so let me try it again. Do 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 do. So everything that you need to learn, you'll learn like it. So let's say that you want to do 3D graphics, right? You'll probably need to learn DirectX or OpenGL. You'll learn out of necessity. Of course, you shouldn't just do it always like that, because it might become hard to know what you don't know, if that makes sense. Yeah, okay, I'm super happy with this. I have no idea what was causing that whole thing, but I don't really give a damn. IDBs, Python, backup. So let me just... Okay, but these are really interesting things that I think might... Oh my god, it's raining a lot. Yeah. It was a different kind of stream, which I don't really mind. Wait for... Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is really good a week so far. So wait, before I go, I'm just now thinking about what I need to do next. So I'll consider VM thread done. Done. So wait, maybe I can put the commit. This guy. Come on, yeah, this guy. So I still need to do VM executable. What should I do? VM executable. Browse files. Come on, man. Taking a piss. Taking the piss. Not... What? GitHub? Okay. What the fuck is this shit, man? Okay, whatever, man. GitHub is just useless for VM executable. Don't use scary. To do. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. So I have VM executable to do. And then what about script object? Script objects. As far as I know, it's all done now. Oh yeah, I need the script manager. Did I close script manager? No, I didn't even add it. Okay, let's add script manager. Alrighty, so what I'd say is that for the next release, I do VM executable, and yeah, and then I start focusing on other things, maybe script objects. I don't know if file manager is that interesting, but I need to figure it out. That's it. Thanks everyone that came to the stream. I'm super tired today. Didn't sleep that well, and I run 5 kilometers in the morning, so I'd say that I'm pretty much done. It feels good. It feels good. Have a nice one, everyone. See ya.